Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check country and software version in Sony Xperia XA1 Ultra by using email. In the very beginning you have to open a browser and then go to email.info website. When you are here, just enter your email number to the empty bracket, go for CAPTCHA protection and click on check. Now you can see whole specification about your phone. Then if you want to check country and software version, you should choose firmware SIM-lock country. Click again at check and wait the 10 seconds while your order is processing. There you go, you can come up with plenty of very useful information. Here you can check your country, and here is current software version, latest software version, and last software version. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.